Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel or if you have not subscribed yet, please do subscribe immediately and hit that bell button right there so that you'll be notified every time I upload a video. As promised, today I will be discussing all about foundations and how do you choose the right shade of foundation and the type of foundation. Before we even jump to foundations, let's talk about the different skin types that are present.
These are the different skin types: dry, normal, oily, dehydrated, acne prone, sensitive, and combination.
So now, as we saw that there are so many different types of skin type, today for our video we will be considering the three major skin types that we come across most frequently, that is the dry, normal and oily skin type. So now, just to give you a quick test on this, how do you identify what your skin type is? The easiest that I know is just wash your face and wait for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, if your skin feels completely dry and it desperately wants you to moisturize it, you have dry skin type. If you're able to take a tissue and if you're able to pat your skin with it and able to and you can see oil content coming out of it, then you have oily skin type. And if your skin perfectly feels healthy and supple with very little need of moisturization, then you have a normal skin type. It is highly possible that your T-zone alone may feel oily and rest of the skin may feel normal. This is combination skin type. Now, can anyone tell me what the difference between dry and dehydrated skin is? Think a little harder. You're right there. Dry skin is basically absent of oil, while dehydrated skin is absent of water, which means that dry skin is something that you're blessed with nature and you cannot really, do anything about it. But dehydrated skin can definitely be cured immediately with lots of intake of water and juices, or by reducing consumption of alcohol, or by whatever reasons your skin has gone dehydrated, and then it will be back to normal. So don't get confused between dry and dehydrated. Now that we discussed the different skin types, let's jump into the different types of foundations available, which we could then match to these different skin types that we discussed.
These are the major types of foundations available in the market: liquid, stick, mousse, and powder.
Now, as we saw the different types of foundations as well, let's do a little match the following. This shouldn't be very hard, isn't it? Let's talk about the dry skin type first. If you have dry skin, it is advisable to go with the liquid foundation or the mousse foundation. Talking about which, any cream product is very good for dry skin because it retains the oil in your skin. If you're of the oily skin type, then you could go with the powder, or in other words cushion foundation, or you could go for the stick foundation. Both of these foundations help set your makeup very well, and it will even ensure that oil secretion from your skin is being controlled. Next, let's talk about normal skin. Normal skin is actually very rare, and if you do have normal skin, then you must be able to observe one thing, that it starts changing with different weather conditions. Your skin might become a little more oily when you move to humid places, and it might seem more dry when you move to more hilly areas. So if you have normal skin, you can go ahead with any of the foundations depending on the weather condition that you are currently in. Now, this is not it. Foundations clearly depend on your skin tone and undertone as well, and that is why they are available in so many different types of skin shades. If you want to understand more about skin tone and undertone, then please do go watch my other video which I have made, so that your concepts are clear and you'll be able to understand this video better. I have attached the link of my previous video in the description box below. Now, as you know that there are 6 different types of main skin tones, which would be light, fair, medium, tan, dark and deep. And 3 different types of undertones, which would be warm, neutral and cool. Now based on this, I would be just showing you that the different foundations names that usually fall under different categories.
So as you can see, I have shown the warm undertone with the varying range of skin tones. Under the warm undertone, the usual kind of foundations that would be available would sound like chestnut, latte, golden, etc. Then coming to the cool undertone, the generic foundations which would be available would be rose beige, brown sugar, cocoa, and so forth. While the neutral category foundations would typically be like ivory, porcelain, bisque, etc.
Now that we saw different types of skin tones and undertones and what usual shades of foundations are available for both, I would want to discuss the most requested topic of this video, which would be how do you choose the right shade of foundation for yourself?
So I've chosen 3 shades of foundation, one which is lighter than my skin tone, one which is my skin tone, and one which is darker than my skin tone. Now, as you can see, I'm just applying all the 3. The one in the middle suits my skin tone the best, and that is why that is my foundation shade.
So I hope this really helped you in understanding how do you exactly choose the right shade, and this gave you sort of a brief idea on what foundation parameters basically depend on, so that it'll be easier for you to logically understand what would be right for you when you are going and buying it. Another tip that I keep emphasizing continuously is on please do not buy your foundation in the store light. Please go get it in the daylight, or if you're in a store, you can probably just move out and you can just check it in the natural daylight, because the store light can really manipulate the foundation shade and I don't want you wasting your money. So yes, that would be the most important thing that you need to have in your mind. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it really helped you and it benefited all your different concerns that you may have about foundations. If there are any further queries over here, please do comment below, or you can DM me on my Instagram. I've attached my Instagram handle below in the description box. And please do like, share and recommend this video to everybody you know. Till then, please do take care of yourself and stay tuned for an interesting video coming up next weekend. Bye.